Sandwich-style construction allows reuse. ATP transmission seals and gaskets are exact fit, no compromise replacement parts. Top reviews from the United States. Fit my 1997 F-150 perfectly. I liked the quality of the gasket and its internal metal support, which keeps you from over-tightening the bolts. Even though not required, I hedged my bets against leaks by using Permatex brand Right Stuff 90-minute RTV on both sides of the gasket. With all surfaces perfectly clean, I use lacquer thinner. I can say that the pan is completely dry after 500 miles in Texas heat. Kudos to the manufacturer of this gasket.